Puyup Puyulpan is a multi-level natural limestone cave system located at Camalig Albay in the Philippines. Puyup Puyulpan is named after the word Huyup, meaning breeze, this being a reference to the cool and eerie wind that passes through here. The cave is over 3,000 years old, with fossils being found here estimated to be from between 200 to 300 BC. In today's video, I'm going to be showing an in-depth tour of this incredible place. I hope you enjoy. So ngayon, punta na kami sa Cueva. Anong cave? Puntahan.
Puyupan cave.
We're 6 minutes away.
Actually 4.
Oh, 4 minutes na lang. It's just around this area.
Puyupan cave tayo ah.
Oh yeah. Puyup, parang hayop. Hayop cave. Here we are at the cave. We're at the entrance to the cave. It's just up here, I believe. My entrance, diba? Doon sa taas. Oh, I need helmets.
Paano si Nonoy? Walang helmet si Nonoy.
Let's adjust it. Got the safety hat on. Then we'll explore the cave once everyone's done taking a million photos.
Tagalog, sige.
Ano sir? Tagalog ka na sir?
Sige.
Tagalog na tayo, Tagalog na. Good morning, ako po yung magiging tour guide nyo dito sa loob. Ito po yung pangalan ko, Rebel po yung pangalan ko. Tsaka may isa pa tayo dyan sa likod, may isang taga-ilaw pa tayo dyan. Kaya po yung tinawag na Puyupan Cave, yung Puyup kasi is Bicol dialect, ibig sabihin po yan ihip ng hangin. Itong lamig na nafe-feel natin, yan po yung ibig sabihin. And then ito kasi yung kuweba is, apat po yung pasokan nito, or apat na butas po ito. Hindi lang po ito isa. The first opening po, yan po yung tinatawag na grand entrance. The first opening. And then the second opening po, yun naman yung tinatawag na Fat Man Squeeze, or the sukatan ng sexy naman siya. Medyo maliit na daan. Pero kasi naman kayo doon, huwag kayong kasi si Ma'am Jessica Soba, kasi naman. Pero challenging lang talaga yung dadaanan. First, ito ang kuweba natin. This is the hideout of the guerrillas. Ito ang cave, guerrillas. Pero back during World War II, this is only the opening. Para makababa, this is the bind. Later, try the bind. And then, kasi is ground floor, nasa ilalim po siya. Ito yung pinaka-delikado kasi pag maulan na pinagay po siya. Maliit, meron pa yan doon. There's the third floor. But our focus is the second floor. It's the face and the hair.
Wow.
Stalactite, C4 ceiling. This is the stalactite and this is the stalagmite, G4 ground. Itong stalactite sa taas natin, ito naman sa baba yung stalagmite. Ito po palang stalactite is umahaba po yan ng 1 inch per century. 100 years, 1 inch lang. Ano ba yung stalactite dito?
Ano siya? Labot siya?
Hindi po, wala yan ba? And then, is the stalactite formation? Sa hole. There's this man-made already.
All poo.
Yuck!
All that is poo.
Oh my. Ipatok mo na lang. Mama,
You have to walk. It's so slippery. Dahan.
Ito! This time,
Nilawin ba yan?
opo, nilagyan namin. Para lumami naman sila dyan. Kasi hindi naman namin pinapakain yan. Ano lang, nagpupusa lang sila dyan. So, come on, you're ready. Stone. Let's go. Sir? Ano ba? Di naman alam, recommend na mag-inom ng mag-away dyan. Okay po, dito naman po sa pangalan. Formation, tayo nga magkain ng pangalan ng katawan. This is the baby elephant formation. Pero yung daddy, wala dito. Nagbubulak po. Nagbababae pa yan. And then, live.
Oh, nice.
Tingnan naman yung taas.
Okay ba?
Dito ka lang po yung. Okay, sir? Diyan ka lang po. Sige na, ikaw stand lang. Touch it, pero do not touch.
Heated na.
Ipon muna tayo dito. Pag ganito, tatagilid, tsaka iakbang yung left foot, tsaka yung mukha. And then, go!
Oh my goodness.
Kaya mo ba?
Pwede mo ako sa bato. Pwede mo ako sa bato, ma'am. Pwede.
I fit. Left leg.
Left legs. Okay. Hawakan mo na ma'am yung balis. Yuko. Labas ka naman para ma'am. Yan ma'am. Yung muna itatayo yung bata. Wala pa na mong helmet.
Come on, my love.
Well done!
Well done. You've been
Okay,
this is
yuko.
your first
Okay, next.
cave journey.
Ah, nasa labas na. That was a fun experience. So we're going back in to see an expensive bird.
Expensive ba?
Di ko nakikita. Oh. What a great experience.
It's the formation of Black Nazarene, the head, and then yung cross. Tapos yung hands, and then the body.
Uy! Okay. Paano mo sure? Tijo digdig.
There is, super cold.
Malamig.
The air.
Look at this. So windy.
Okay pa, ito na po yung third opening natin. Ito po yung dating sementeryo. Kasi itong kuweba dati is, may unang living dito, may unang ritual sa loob. Yung unang living po sa labas. Yung pangalawa na dito na sa loob. Pero pag sa unang living po kasi parang kukunin nila pag buto na lang. Siya yung archaeologist na naka-discover ng mga bones. Diyan po, ito parts na to. Ito po is sinadya putol, pinutol. Kasi, dahil sa mga dito.
Kinuha yan.
Leg parts, ito naman yung ribs natin. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. The ribs. Ano na po to? 300 BC. Sobrang tagal na po niyan.
Okay.
Leg parts, ribs, and then this the skull.
Feeling ko pa siya.
This the back of the head.
Nice. Yeah.
Siya.
Nice one.
This the evidence, the three parts.
Nice.
Yan na. And then, this the evidence naman na dati talaga tong dagat. This is the water line. Sundan nyo lang po yung ilaw. The sea level. And then, our next formation, this is the hands formation. Ito na yung kamay. Manok sir, may water. This is the hands formation. Pero strictly no touching tayo. Kasi, once na umawak tayo sa mga formation, yung kamay po natin is nagkukos ng acid. Kaya namamatay po or nangingitim po yung bato. Ganito lang po yung gagawin nyo. Tatayo kayo habang nag-wish kayo. Pag tapos na kayo
Yeah. Pasalamat kita kay Lord kasi dito ako kita ng opportunity like this. Ako na lang ma-close ng prayer. Everybody.
Wow.
the flip bus. And then, para naman yung bell of the church. Dito na tayo sa gilid.
Oh, may crystal kid, no? Wow!
Ano naman yan na? Mga crystal naman po yan. Yan naman yung tinatawag na gypsum crystal. Yan. Itong hagdan na ito na papunta po dyan. Yan naman po yung papuntang third opening. Okay, let's go to the dance floor. Okay, this is the dance floor. Okay, sir, you dance.
Yeah, dance.
Dance. This is the two eyes and then the nose. This is the skull formation. Nice. Wow. Okay. Sila owl naman po to. Ito yung dalawang mata, ilang tsaka nakalimutan ko sa English nung to, Big. O, yan. The two eyes and the big. The owl formation or the quagga. This is the two head of snake. Ano ba ito? Flashlight. Ito yung Chulay. This is the two head of snake.
Two-headed snake. Two-head snake.
Two head of snake. And then the crocodile formation.
Crocodile.
Ito. Okay, and then picture tayo dito sa dance floor. Dito na po kayo sa dulo. Dito sa dulo para pag mag-picture tayo, kitang-kita yung dulo. And then, di ba kanina yung mommy tsaka baby elephant? This is the daddy elephant. elephant, nakasado na po siya. Ito yung ilong, katawan, leeg, katawan, tsaka paa, the giraffe formation. Pag ito lang po sa baba ng legs, the chicken drumstick and then the chicken wings.
Yeah, chicken,
This is the last.
Oh, yeah.
World Cup.
Yan na yung pinaka last formation. Dito tayo lalabas.
Kompleto na.
Yes.
This is our exit.
Wow.
Nawalan namin doon. Sana kami mag-ATV kayo, ma? Dyan sana yung view ni Mayon.
As the guide was telling us, we should have been able to see Mayon volcano from the spot. However, unfortunately, it was too cloudy. So here's a picture of what the view looks like with a clear sky. So tapos na kami. That was such a good experience.
Boss.
Ang galing.